What's up, it's John from Fedora Lifestyle, and the number one thing most artists say they can't draw is hands. But I'm here to show you just how easy it can be. Before getting started, please subscribe for more art and drawing tutorials. In this video, we'll draw one hand, one pose, but from two different angles. And yes, I have references. For the first example, start with this pentagon shape, which should be about as wide as it is tall. Then mark the major lines on the palm and begin drawing the thumb in two sections. At this point, we're only drawing for scale and position, don't worry about details. And note the end of the thumb is above the pentagon shape. From here, divide the top of the pentagon into 4 sections. Okay, the next step is a bit challenging. In those sections, draw 4 ascending ovals from left to right. These ovals mark the fingertips. Again, please take your time. I've been drawing a long time and I still find this step can be frustrating. But you've made it this far, congratulations. Now connect those ovals to the top of the pentagon and draw a simple wrist. Next, draw in the rough shape of the fingernails and erase all your guidelines. Okay, let's see this drawing come together. Take your time and redraw everything with a nice clean outline. Then, imagining the light source is coming from the right, lightly shade the left side of each finger and the center of the palm. Note I changed my grip on the pencil for softer shading. Wrapping up the first example, vary the line-weighted areas of interest, like the ends of the fingers or where the fingers overlap the palm. Moving to the second example, very lightly draw horizontal guidelines from distinguishing elements of the first drawing, like the ends of the thumb and the fingers. We'll use those guidelines to draw a more narrow pentagon as we strive to replicate this reference. The following steps are almost identical to the first drawing, but from a different perspective. Draw the thumb in 2 parts, which should be easier now that we can compare it to the first thumb. Then draw the index finger, which is bent slightly toward the thumb. We couldn't really see that in the first drawing. And then keep going, drawing the 4 shortened fingers. This step will push your observation skills, but will get easier and easier every time you draw a hand. For instance, trust the angles of the fingers in the reference, not how you assume the fingers will bend. Like before, we'll then erase everything and redraw the entire hand with a clean outline. Finally, we add a light shadow on the left side of the fingers and palm, and then vary the line weight on the thumb, and you're done. Please subscribe, like, and share.